What is up? Today I am doing a type of vlog. This vlog isn't really my necessarily random vlog. I just figured, found an old memory card of our Delaware trip, so basically that's what this video is about. And there is no face cam with this video because I'm not doing a reacting video, just telling you what I'm doing. So anyways, just enjoy. So hope you guys get this video. I knew nothing about copyright. I mean, I didn't even have a channel then. But those videos were from like 3 years ago. Or 6 years ago, something like that. I was probably 8. 19 now, so 8. Do the math. So 6 years ago, maybe. I don't know. But anyways, those videos mean a lot to me because, I mean, who knew my whole career with YouTube has changed me so much. Like those videos probably inspired me. Who knows? To vlog, but really, we all know. I mean, I told you this. Clintus TV. He really inspired me to vlog stuff, and I give him credit for that. Number two, I mean, like, I will not be where I am right now if it wasn't for you guys. This video gave me chills watching them because I'm like, oh my god, like, where did these come from? I looked at this old memory card. Now I have other things, so I might have to do like a reaction to this memory card. That'll be on Gamer Chase. So if you want me to do that, leave a like on this video. Even if you don't give me likes, I'll still do it, but still give me the like. And there was so much on that thing, and there was so much copyright in this. I'm sorry about that, YouTube. But I didn't know better. I didn't know about copyright, and who knows if I was even going to post these on YouTube. I didn't know. But here I am, just years later, and I'm posting them on YouTube. So I'm just going to end it here. And they are my videos, it's just not my song. But anyways, like I said, I'm going to end the episode here. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, want me to do more videos like this, which I can't. I can do it later on in the year, maybe whenever I'm 40 or something. Just let me know. Hope you guys like this one. Thanks for watching. It means bye. Peace out. And we'll see you later on the next adventure of chasing memories. Also, don't worry about life. Just worry about life just where it comes from. So, basically that being said, everybody's gonna be scared of life. That's just how it is. I'm scared. I will admit that I'm scared to, graduate. I have 2 more years, but I'm scared to graduate, because then what am I going to do after life? Which means, it's basically saying the quote, don't worry about life. Just know that the life will be with you. So, just remember that quote, because like this, thanks for watching, means bye, peace out, log on. We'll see you later on the next adventure of chasing memories. Let's chase memories together.